Hi guys, I have a short story to tell you all. So, I went out with these amazing friends of mine. We went on a trip. Man, the journey was awesome. We all had fun while going. So we had to hunt for the owners of the country to leave the road. We don't want wahala. So we arrived at Ikogosi Resort, but we couldn't enter because we were heading somewhere. We say maybe when we are coming back home, we will branch. So we arrived at our destination, the Arinta Waterfall. So we stepped out. We had a nice time. We discussed. We talked more about ourselves. We took pictures. Wow. I can't forget this day. While discussing about ourselves, we were all waiting for the gatekeeper to come around to open the gate for us, so we will have a nice time together. And here was Benson disturbing everywhere. Benson. And here was Tom busy explaining how he went to Badagry to get a wife. Oh God. It was a wonderful time with these people. How? I wish I could have this experience again, like go out with the same people. And finally, the gate was open. We all entered. I had a nice time together, pouring water on ourselves. Oh God, what a memory. And here was I, enjoying myself. Like, I felt like I was not in this world anymore. That's the end of my story, guys.